Hello and welcome to this course. In this course, you're going to learn all about the essentials of networking on AWS. Now, whether you're a complete beginner to networking on AWS or whether you already have some networking skills and you're looking to transfer them to AWS, there's something for you here. Now, I do start at the beginning. In the next section, I go into the fundamentals of networking. So I'll explain some very basic concepts such as routing and switching, firewalls, network address translation, and the OSI model. So if you're a beginner, that will really help you get up to speed with some of the terms and the services and technologies that we're going to be talking about in the rest of the course. We then go into a section on Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. This is a big part of this course. VPC is one of the core networking technologies in AWS. Within a VPC, you can create subnets and route tables and security groups and network access control lists, and you can set up your own IP ranges. It's like a virtual data center in the cloud. You'll learn lots about VPC, and you'll also build VPCs and set up lots of configurations as part of the hands-on exercises. We then look into networking with Amazon EC2. EC2 is one of the most important services on AWS, and you can deploy your EC2 instances into your VPCs. So you need to understand about the networking components like elastic network interfaces and elastic IP addresses. So we'll cover all of that off. Things then get a bit more advanced. I'm going to teach you about how to interconnect your VPCs, both within accounts and regions as well as across accounts and regions. So you'll learn about VPC peering, VPC endpoints, and also Amazon Route 53, which we can use to direct traffic to the resources in our VPCs. I then go into some more complex structures, including how you can connect on-premises environments into AWS using client VPNs, site-to-site VPNs, and direct connect connections. And we'll also look at direct connect gateways and transit gateways, which can add some more amazing features for complex architectures. I also cover elastic load balancing with application load balancers and network load balancers, as well as AWS Global Accelerator, a much newer service that's quite exciting. I also show you how to use the command line interface to build VPCs and the components within them. And we'll also cover off automation towards the end of the course, using CloudFormation to build out our VPCs for us. So there's absolutely loads packed into this course, and I really hope you enjoy it and get lots of value. I'll see you in the next lesson.